This is just a quick mod I did to those Merle clamps that I just bought. You could see I put some of these adjustable clamping lever knobs on there. The original knob, you saw I had some problems when I was trying to use it flat on the table. And I decided to upgrade to some of these knobs. So I purchased them on Amazon, and these are a little bit long. I couldn't find the right size that were in the right price range. And at the time that I purchased these last week, they were $7.91 each. Well, I just went back and looked, and they've raised the price to $15. So definitely wouldn't recommend buying them from Amazon now. But I'll give you a link to them so you can just see exactly the description of them and stuff. But I'm sure you can, if you do some searching, they're available for a lot less. So you can see they're adjustable, and this one had 1.25 inch stud, and I only really needed a 0.875 stud, but I figured I could cut them down easily, and they were the best priced one at the time on Amazon. So I just put a couple nuts on there so I get a square cut, because I'm not going out in the shop now. It's too cold. I'm just gonna go back to the old-fashioned way of cutting things, and got out my handy dandy 40-year-old hacksaw here that still works fine, and in a couple of seconds I was able to cut right through it. Luckily there were there was no case hardening or anything on them. They were nice and soft. So there it is. The nut really helped you to guide the hacksaw and get it straight, and then I just went back and just cleaned it up with the sander to make sure I had a nice flat clamping surface there, and then took the nuts off and just hit the edges there to take that sharp burr off the end of the thread. Now, they really didn't have to be cut down, but I just wanted to keep it as short as possible and close to the original. So, and there you can see it just goes right into the clamping there. When you're going in, you have to pick the clamp up, but once you get to the tight position, you can just tighten it and then just drop that flat so it's not in the way. And then just if you flip that 180 degrees, you can loosen that cable, that band up real easy and quick, and it's real easy to get that out of the way. And a little bit of trimming on the foam there on the insert, and it fits right in there where the original one did. So you can see it's really not something that's required, but it does make the clamps a little bit more user friendly when using them on a flat surface. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.